Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to cutting sound in the CapCut apps. So first, insert the sound into the track. Just click audio, select sound, and select the sound that you want to edit. For example, so the sound has been added to the track, and then you choose which part you want to cut. For example, just click on the sound and just click split again, and you can select which part um, that you want to cut. For example, just click delete, and you can adjust the position of the sound. Alright, so easy, right? That's all I can say. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.